All right, how to truly let go and detach. This is so important for all women to know this information. And I'm going to share with you quite a fresh perspective on this, so you most likely have not heard this anywhere else. So open the journals, take some notes, and let's really do this. All right, so my name is Joss. My offering is called Wild Womb, and I help women feel empowered in their bodies. I help them love themselves unconditionally. So thank you so much for being here. Before we dive in, please hit subscribe and stay connected with me because I'm sharing all of these wisdoms to help you feel empowered and confident every single week. Okay, let's talk about this. So let's say that you're releasing from a partner, or maybe like an abusive or a toxic experience, or maybe it's a friendship. The bottom line is you're trying to truly detach and you're trying to truly let go and stop having this constant cycle that you're going through. It's like it's never ending. I'm gonna tell you right now, because I hate when you watch these videos and they make it like delay. The secret is to really truly detaching and letting go is to fall in love with your feminine energy. Okay, now stay with me and I'm gonna explain everything and show you how to do it. Why is falling in love with your feminine energy gonna help me detach and let go? What the hell does that mean? Okay. When I understood my feminine energy is when my life truly started to transform and I truly started to understand myself on a deeper level. Here is why. Your feminine energy is the qualities of surrender, flow, release. It is all of the qualities that are what letting go is about. Your feminine energy, your Shakti energy, it is movement, surrender, flow. It is constantly moving. That is its number one quality. You are nothing but change. You are nothing but change. Okay, think about your inner rhythm and your cycle. How could you be afraid of letting go when it is literally the essence of who you are on your most deepest foundational level? Your feminine energy, it's all about letting go. It's all about release, surrender, movement, flow. You are the definition of letting go. How could you be afraid? You literally wrote the book on letting go. You're teaching the world. No one does it better than you. So when you understand your feminine energy, when you're connected to it, you understand that this is your truth and this is who you are on your deepest level. Like think about your higher self, your spirit self, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so do you feel me? Does that make sense for you? Comment and share and let me know. So now here's the most important thing. Okay, so here we are. You get it. Like, yeah, okay, so now what do I do? This is who I am. This is my energy. So what am I supposed to do with this information? So connecting to your feminine energy is very much a physical, spiritual, and emotional experience. And it is very easy, but most importantly is the frequency. It's not enough to watch one YouTube or to read a book and be like, okay, there it is. It is really being empowered with your self-care and doing these very easy, very natural practices every single day, or at least many times a week. Not time consuming, literally 5 minutes a day. So there are very nurturing, peaceful, loving, holistic, natural practices that you can do from the comfort of your own home. And they help you access your body in this way that allows you to be connected to your feminine energy. That part of you that is so rhythmic and flowing and surrendering, that beautiful quality that you want to embody in your life, because it's going to help you navigate these situations and to feel more in tune with who you are. What are the practices? Honestly, there's just so many, but I'll name a few and just keep it simple for now. There's breathing techniques that you can do that allow you to breathe with your pelvic diaphragm. You probably wouldn't even know this from, for example, a yoga class. They don't really teach this, but it's so beautiful and it helps you connect to your feminine energy. Your feminine energy, you can really think about it as flowing through your womb space. Your womb, your uterus, whatever you want to call it. And no, you don't have to have a physical womb to enjoy this. I totally understand that some people have had a hysterectomy, or you're two-spirit, you're trans. It doesn't matter. If you want to connect to that space, your sacral chakra, then these practices will nourish you. They will support you to do that. Another way is to nurture your pelvic range of motion. So there's lots of really simple practices you can do that get into all the movement of your pelvis, all the rhythms, the moves, and it literally changes how you walk, how you feel, how you talk. When you have that connection to your pelvis. It's like you're becoming BFFs with your feminine energy. It's the best way that I can describe it. You can do meditations and yoga nidra, which is a gentle form of hypnotherapy that focus on your womb. So you're becoming BFFs. You're building this relationship with this part of you that houses all these sacred qualities of creativity, of sexuality, of sensuality, of intuition, of emotions, all of this lovely stuff that makes you so divine and magical. There's also loads of creative art exercises and journal exercises that allow you to, again, connect to your womb space, your feminine energy, and just build a deeper bond. For example, writing letters to your yoni, to your vulva, to your vagina, writing letters to the younger you, inner child healing, and just so much more. Just shared a lot, and I hope that it's inspired you, but bottom line is that your feminine energy, it loves to flow. It loves to surrender. It loves to let go. You wrote the book on letting go. You wrote the book on detaching. Your feminine energy is always whispering, just keep going, you're doing amazing. And you are, and I hope that you really, really trust that about yourself. Look around you and get inspired. Look at how the seasons change every year, the moon phases every month. It's a constant cycle and flow. You're breathing, perhaps your menstruation if you menstruate, your feminine experiences from menstruation through to menopause and beyond. Flowing, surrendering, letting go, moving on to the next. You wrote the book, it's who you are. And when you do this, when you start to align with that energy, those qualities, you will become more confident, more expressive. You'll feel more freedom and more trust. And you'll just feel like more of yourself. Like you're perfect, everything about you is amazing. This isn't about changing you. It's just diving deeper into all the things that make you who you are. Those unique qualities that nobody else has. Why wouldn't you want that? And then, guess what? Letting go, detaching, it will become a gift. It'll become just a part of who you are. So thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit subscribe and keep going with this work. If you're listening and you're like, yeah, I'd like to explore this. I'd like to dive into it. Send me a message, read the caption, or go straight to my bio links, my website, and explore some free resources. I have an online course that'll guide you from start to finish. So supportive, so loving, right into your feminine energy, your healing, all that good stuff. Reach out to me and take those baby steps. You're doing wonderful. Thank you.